Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD USD, Australian dollar, US dollar for 5th April 2021. So this video and analysis is for 5th April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 6th April. I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you do not miss any opportunity and you get to stay ahead of the market. So let's get started, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching my videos for the first time. So this is the chart of Australian dollar US dollar. As you can see, this is the overall trend of the market, and we can see that market took support at this particular price range 0.7575 level in the month of February, and market is taking support at the same price level in the month of April as well. So this level or this line is a strong support for the market. Okay, so 0.7575 is a very strong support for the market, because see, when market went up, it took support at this level only. Okay, and went up, and when market fell, okay, this is the level market took support. Okay, so this level has become very crucial for us now. Now let's switch to the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame, and overall we can see that this previous week market has formed a spinning top kind of a pattern. Generally, spinning top kind of a pattern suggests that market is not going upward nor downward. Okay, spinning top generally suggests that there is an indecision going on in the market. Okay, the market is neither being dominated by bulls or bears. And in the previous week, we can see that for this candle, market went down, but bulls pushed the price upward. Okay, and market formed a hammer kind of a pattern, which suggests that there are buyers present in the market who are struggling or who are trying their best to take the price upward. Okay, so this is the overall picture of the market. In the weekly chart, there is no prominent support or resistance available. Okay, so as of now, we do not need to worry about the weekly chart. So the only crucial level that we got from the chart, this chart is the 0.7575 level. Okay, so this is the present market right now. So let's try to understand what do we need to do, or what should be our strategy for Monday. As you can see now, I have drawn two lines here. Okay, two lines here, and there is not much movement in the market, and this line is a 50 moving average, and as you can see, market got resistance from the 50 MA. Okay, on 22nd or 23rd March went down. Again market went up, got resistance, came down, and right now market is just trading at the resistance. Okay, so or the 50 moving average. So in a market like this, generally what is our strategy? Our strategy is simple. Okay, in a market, whenever a market is in downtrend, we look for the area of value, and the area of value is always just below the resistance. In this case, the area of value is just below the 50 moving average. So 50 moving average is the ideal spot to short the market or sell AUD USD. Is not it? But this time the case is a little bit different. As I've already told you, this level, okay, this level is very crucial for the market, because if you short the market here, okay, if you short the market just below the 50 moving average, and if market reverses from here, okay, then your stop loss will be hit and you will be in loss. Therefore you should not make the mistake. So as of now, okay, what you should do, you should just avoid trading in this range. Okay, this is your no trading zone. Generally I always suggest to short term market just below the 50 moving average or the resistance, but as market has a support present just below the level, just below the 50 moving average, so it is not the ideal position to short the market, because this support is there since February month. Okay, so this we cannot ignore this support. So what should be a strategy then? The strategy for us can be, okay, we can go above this level. Okay, so we can buy above this level. If market crosses this level 0.7663, 0.7663, we will be going for a buy order. Buy above this level. Okay, if market crosses the level, then you know the drill. What you need to do? You just observe the market, try to understand the psychology, observe 3 to 4 hours, and if you see that market is trading comfortably, then go for a buy order. Let the resistance become the support. Okay, then go for a buy, and we will go for a sell if market crosses this particular low. Okay, we will only be selling AUD USD below this level. We will wait for the market to to for the support to become the resistance. Okay, so as of now, this is our no trading zone. Okay, only buy above this line and sell below this particular level or the particular low. We are not shorting the market below 50 moving average because we have a support present in the market since February month. Okay, this level, and since it is a still valid support for the market, so we do not want to go against it. And market has almost 50 moving average has almost reached the support, therefore there is not much space here to short the market. Therefore we are avoiding uh, this particular part. Okay, and we will be looking for buying opportunity above this level and sell below this level. Okay, so this is the analysis and strategy that you can follow for Monday 5th April 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're watching for the first time. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.